So here we are with the lovely Grand Chef KG9356, beautiful 90cm 5-burner gas hob. Now of course we also have the black version of this, which has a beautiful black glass there and high grade inox stainless steel on the front. That is the KCG9386 Turbo. Now these are called turbo because the burner in the middle is extraordinarily powerful. Now of course, as with all gas appliances, this one can be used both with the mains gas, which is natural gas, or LPG, just by simply converting the nozzles inside the burner. If you should choose to select installation on checkout, our installers will have the nozzles with them to be able to change it for you. Now, one of my favorite things about these hobs is that the knobs are lovely and solid metal, and they're single-handed ignition, so you just have to hold it there and it will automatically spark and light the flame for you. Now, like I said, these knobs are fantastic. They have a lot of weight to them and they just inspire a lot of confidence when you use these products. Now, of course, these devices are all fitted with a flame failure safety device, which means if for any reason the flame should go out, the gas supply will be cut off for the burners. That way you know that you're safe and protected in case for any reason the flame goes out when you're not there. These are all made out of very high grade cast iron, and the supports are very easily removed, and dishwasher safe, so you can keep your hob clean and fresh very easily. Plus, of course, these hobs come with a wok adapter, so you are able to use your favorite wok and cook up a nice stir fry for your family or your loved ones. With that, I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.